Hey guys, good afternoon, and we are back live once again. And my name is GM, and today we are going to make a sound reveal on both of these big bikes. So we have the Z650, which has 2 cylinders, and we also have the Honda CB650R, which has 4 cylinders. So it's gonna be exciting because every day we do a different design on each bikes, and that's the beauty of custom. So it's hot afternoon. It's not raining anymore like has been happening a couple of days ago. So now we can go on live once again, and I hope this is gonna be a treat for you guys who are taking your lunch, or if you have had your lunch already, then this is gonna be a dessert for you guys. All right. So before we start, we're gonna give a shout out again to everyone who are watching. Si Nino Palma, si Andre Manawag, si Rick Pascual, shout out to you. Luisito Hiraldo, Choi Ignacio, Jerome Villarosa, shout out from Bacolod City. Yan, si Orly Edition, bumabalik. Sabi niya, vroom vroom, shout out GM. Thank you brother Orly. Luingel Solas, Marvin Carriaga, shout out to you brother. John Paul Daya, shout out to you as well. Andrew Camus, shout out to you. Jasper Hanka, ayan, si Normandi Rodrigo, bumabalik. Sabi niya, shout out Boss GM, happy pang himagas. Salamat. Kenneth Adviento, Alvin Maclang, shout out from Malolos City. Yan, si Alvin yan. Si John Pexon, si Jeffrey James Reyes, what's up brother? Si Jasper Hanka, si Angel Torres, si V-Boy Almero Idol, yan. Si Carl Bryan, pa-shoutout Sir GM. Ian de la Serna, si Londep de la Peña, live. So dami na nanonood. Neil Katuira, yan, shoutout to you brother. Bundat Yana, yan na naman. Si Nino Palma, si John Pineda Pexon, si Marco Tiki Torres, again, Monster CB650, napaka-premium talaga ang mga exhaust nyo. Thank you, brother. So, these are the bikes from actually 2 friends Right. So, yan, ito ang mga bikes natin ngayon, right guys? So, we have done the exhaust system on this bike for a while now. Maybe, I guess, 2 weeks na siguro. So, the customer has been driving this, but we have yet to do a sound reveal on this bike. So today we're gonna do a sound reveal. So he has been driving this bike around now, and he has been enjoying it. And so this is the bike of his friend naman. And what we've done with this bike was we've installed a full exhaust system. Grabe linis ang pagkakagawa, and then a loop underneath it. Yan. And then, of course, our muffler back there. Yan. So before we start, we're gonna call on the owners. Interview na natin sila, mabilis lang. Dito naman na kayo, halika na kayong dalawa. Yan, ito sila. So ito yung mga artista sa Channel 7. Pag-i-interview natin. Yan. Okay, dito kayo. Yeah. So, Brother Wilmer, ikaw muna yung unahin ko, no? So he owns the Z650.
Yes.
And you've been driving it for a while now, since the last time we finished it. Siguro mga dalawang linggo na ba?
Wala, a week pa lang.
Oh, 1 week pa lang. So he's been driving it about a week now. Nagpapapansit ka na ba sa mga kapitbahay mo?
Medyo. Nakadalawang papansit.
Nakadalawang papansit na siya. Alright, sige, mamaya i-start na natin yung bike mo. And Brother Carlo, kamusta yung initial reaction mo or thoughts mo dun sa exhaust natin sa CB mo?
Maganda kasi initial reaction ko yung loop, hindi halata yung loop nakatago talaga sa ilalim So,
right.
So nalagyan siya ng medyo mahabang tip, hindi short. So hindi siya ganun kaingay.
So design natin dito, yun, that's the thought process. So tingnan natin kung yun nga ba lalabas. So, unahin na muna natin sa'yo, Brother Wilmer. I-idle mo na. So this, I think it's not gonna be a cold start anymore, not like the CB kasi he's been driving this already. But galing Tagaytay daw. So, yan. Ganda ng lalim niya. And you would have thought that this is actually a 4-cylinders, no? A 4-cylinder bike. Kasi ang ganda ng lalim niya, guys. So definitely malakas tong Z650 ni Wilmer. Maabot na kami mga 100 right now. So talaga magpapapansit to. So just imagine driving a 2-cylinder with around 100 decibels. Shoutout kay Jomel Liquido. Yan. Kay Sire Agul, kay Francis, Chris Rimalos, Chad Rendal, Henry Gahorena, Jomel Liquido, John de Guzman, yan, Andre Santos, Calvin Vince, John Carl, Herbert Mendoza. Yan, si Marco pala, Marco Torres is watching all the way from UAE. Yan, shout out to you. Si Chichi Ray, more power drift exhaust. Soon ako magpapalagay sa motor na ako sa Pinas. Pag may motor na ako sa Pinas. Yan, si Ram Pasadas, si Oliver Ramirez, si Ivan Dame, Gianan. Yan, shout out sa inyo guys. Alright. Brother, rev mo na. Re-rev na natin to guys ha. Grabe, nag-129. Grabe, ang lakas nito ha. Grabe, ang lakas. Pero pagka hindi mo naman binanatan guys, sakto lang eh. Malalim lang yung tunog niya. Pero kapag binanatan mo na, eto na, grabe na yung tunog niya. Kaya pala magpapapansin to si Wilmer. Pero ang kagandahan ng tunog mo, brother, hindi siya matining, hindi yung pumapasok sa tenga. So, deep bass rumble, ang sarap pakinggan. And, syempre, 2 cylinders, but it sounds like a 4-cylinder because of the deepness ng bass niya.
Yes.
Alright, meron ka bang gustong batiin?
Well, syempre, wife ko, Lisa, I love you.
You know, bait naman.
Okay.
Alright. So,
Thank you din, Sir GM.
Thank you.
Masaya ako sa result.
Ayos.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll see you. Thank you. Sunod na naman natin yung bike ni Carl, yung kaibigan niya. Again guys, si Carlo. Again guys, this is a full exhaust system with a loop. Grabe, ang ganda ng loop, nakatago. So the loop is actually giving the bike more torque, and that's, you know, our observation. Even if you put it on the dyno, mas mataas yung, mas mababa, mas maaga pumapasok yung power niya because of it. So Carlo, start mo na. Yan. 96, 97 yung idle niya. Grabe, lakas ng tunog ng Z650. Sa Z650 kanina, mga nag-100 ka agad siya eh. Ito mga 5 decibels lower the noise level. Pero pagka nirev mo to, ay ibang usapan na. Kay Ross Andre Martin, pa-shoutout. Moto Plus Cagayan. Salamat po, boss. Yan. Jobs Ibanez, Papa Carlo, shoutout naman, sabi ni Jobs Ibanez. Terio Gonzalez Nagayo, C-Beast. Yeah, shoutout sa C-Beast. FR Revilla, Super Bass. Jerome Jose, sarap sa tenga, pakinggan na stick. Yan. John Robles Muñez, shoutout kay Jomer Billy Muñez. Yan. Roy Sagun, shoutout naman bro Wilmer. Roy Sagum, shoutout daw. Pampanga rin. Grabe, dami nakakakilala sa mga customer natin. Mga artistahin talaga itong mga to eh. Bong, Nadora, Paul, sabi niya basag tenga, sarap. Yan. Si Vin Martinez, Jones Onyong, shoutout po sir. Nanonood daw siya parati. Nakakalibang ang mga papansit mo sir. Oo nga, sigurado. Yan, meron tayong parating na customer pa nando doon. Porsche naman. Yun, nagpa-park na siya. Actually, bukod sa Porsche, may ginagawa tayong Dodge Challenger nandito. And hindi bastang Dodge Challenger to guys ha. This is a Hellcat. Hellcat na SRT. Yan, Hellcat na SRT to guys. Hindi ko nasabi sa inyo. Going back going back to this one. Carlo, ready ka na bang i-rev? Re-rev na natin guys. So kaya niyang lumakas, but at the same time yung idle mo mas mahina. So perfect to around the subdivision guys. Dahil hindi siya masyadong malakas yung tunog niya, yung idle niya, but definitely can scream up to 128 decibels when needed. So pakinggan natin So yan lang, medyo malalim lang siya oh. So kaya niya sumigaw guys eh. Pero kaya niya magpa 2 times lang din eh oh. Yung low RPM medyo pa 2 times lang siya. Pero pag sumigaw siya, grabe, ang sarap. Interviewin na natin sila. Brother.